Hello and welcome to Pandora FMS. In today's video, we'll talk about the MongoDB plugin, both for local databases and for Atlas cloud databases, or any other cloud provider that offers this type of database. With this plugin, you may see the statistics of a MongoDB database, its collections. We will start from the point of having a Pandora FMS environment installed with the standard configuration and an instance with MongoDB that you want to monitor. To register the plugin in your Pandora FMS console, you will need to access the plugin library to search for it and proceed with its download. For that purpose, go to the Module Library section and search for MongoDB Atlas. Click on More Details and head down to download the plugin. Next, retrieve the content of the zip file you downloaded and upload it to Pandora FMS server, which in my case I will host it in the path /usr/share/pandora_server/util/plugin/, which is the default and recommended path for server plugins. This path will be required below to register the plugin. For that, go to the web console to Servers Plugins section and click on Add. In the first section, you will be able to indicate the name you will give it, the type that we will leave as a standard, its timeout, and a description if you wish so. Next, indicate the full path where the retrieved plugin is located and subsequently indicate the parameters it accepts. With -u, indicate the connection link to MongoDB. Since it is a parameter with credentials, you may use the option to hide value, which will make this connection link not to be shown in plain text. In our case, we will leave it in plain text so that it's easy to see in the example. Next, indicate a field without parameters, because either the rest are optional or you may use one or the other as you want to run the plugin on a specific database or on all of them. So leaving an optional empty field, you may enter the parameters you need in each case. We will explain them later when making use of the plugin. Go to Resources, Manage Agents, and create a server plugin module on the desired agent. Give it a name and choose the plugin from the list of plugins. Next, you will have two fields to fill in. The first for the MongoDB connection link and the second for the optional or extra parameters that we discussed. First, I'll use the remote Mongo link hosted in Atlas. As for the other parameters, if you want the plugin to run on all databases, use the parameter -a with value 1. If you want a specific one, use -d followed by the name of the database. I'll use -d and indicate sample_Airbnb as the database. You may also use -c with a value of 1 to activate or collect the statistics from the database collections. -p followed by whatever you wish to add as a prefix to the agents that will be created, -g to indicate the group these agents will belong to, and finally --data_dir to indicate a data directory different from the default one. For this video, we will only use -d, -a, -c, and -p. For this first module, it is enough with -d and -c. Click on Create and wait for the module to run. Once finished, you will be able to see in the list of agents the new agent created. You will also be able to see the modules it contains with the corresponding data. Next, create a second module where you will use the link for MongoDB in local. And as parameters, I will use -a to indicate all the databases and -p to be indicated in the name of the agents that are from local Mongo. Once the modules have been executed, you may see in the list of agents whether the corresponding agents have appeared. You will be able to access any of them and see the data collected. And that was it for today's video. Don't forget it, if you like the video, smile, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe. Any suggestions, questions, or ideas, please leave them in the comments below. Remember that if you're interested in trying Pandora FMS Enterprise, you may contact us to get a free 30-day trial. Thank you very much for your time, and we hope to see you on social media and in future learning videos.